Families flee Disneyland, cars flip and stores wrecked as 5.3 quake shakes downtown Los Angeles followed by 40 aftershocks. A magnitude 5.1 earthquake struck near Los Angeles late on Friday, rattling a wide swath of Southern California, the U.S. Geological Survey said. There were no immediate reports of damage or injury from the trembler, centered outside suburban La Habra, about 20 miles from downtown Los Angeles, a Los Angeles Police Department spokeswoman said. However, families at Disneyland all rapidly left the park after the quake. A car was flipped on its roof by a landslide and hundreds and stores and homes were ruined as the tremors shook items from the wall. The surrounding area was hit by at least 40 aftershocks following the 5.1 quake centered on La Habra shortly after 9 p.m. The quake, initially reported as a magnitude 5.3, struck shortly after 9 p.m. Pacific time and was very shallow, only 1 miles deep, according to the USGS. It was felt across 4 counties, as far east as Palm Springs and north as Ventura County. In Brea, police reported the earthquake triggered a landslide in Carbon Canyon that caused a car to overturn. Only minor injuries in the incident were reported, according to NBC4. The Los Angeles Police and Fire Departments have conducted an assessment and report no damage in the city, Mayor Eric Garcetti said. Edison also reported that approximately 2,000 customers were without power across Southern California. Disneyland immediately evacuated and the park was shut down as a precaution. According to MyFox Law, the LA Times reported that Orange County residents said they felt gradual shaking for roughly 10 seconds. The event was followed by 20 aftershocks as emergency services reported water main breaks and alarm calls. The LA Fire Department responded by going into emergency mode and looking for any signs of damage or injury. Stores and restaurant managers across the region said they experienced breaking glasses and bottles as their businesses were shaken. Here in La Habra it was a fast, hard, shallow jolt, wrote Cindy Turner on Facebook, KTLA reported. In a press conference Friday night, seismologist Lucy Jones from the U.S. Geological Survey said that every California earthquake had a 5% chance of being followed by a larger one in the next 3 days, just as this quake was preceded by a 3.6 earthquake about an hour earlier in the city of La Habra. However, she noted that every hour after the earthquake the odds of another tremor dropped. Jones said people on the city's east side reported the strongest reaction. She also urged people concerned about another quake to make sure they had nothing heavy or made of glass suspended above their beds, to secure bookshelves, and to put anything they considered precious in a safe place. Her colleague, Robert Graves, noted that the earthquake's intensity may have been related to its depth. The intensity was actually quite strong and that could be a result of the shallow nature of this earthquake, Graves said. 2 quakes so close together could provide scientists with more information about how the California fault system operates and if they could identify a fault structure, he added.